If you want to make money on YouTube, you can start earning from your very first videos and your first few hundred views. Many people believe that at the beginning there is no money to be made, only expenses, but I'm here to prove the opposite. My name is Ilya Weitzman and I have been promoting YouTube channels for 5 years. I know exactly what can earn you thousands of dollars and what will only bring in pennies. Today I'm sharing proven ways to make money from a YouTube channel. Go ahead and push the like button and let's go! Before you start making money, the first thing to understand is what opportunities there are to earn money from a YouTube channel. Any source of monetization depends on how popular and engaging your content is and how much people watch it to the end. So 100% to earn more, you need to keep improving your content quality, but you can start earning from your very first videos. The second thing to understand is which source fits your situation best. Because, for example, for a beginner, a blogger with a large Instagram blog, or a business owner, different sources will be the top priority. Watch this video to the end and you'll definitely be able to choose the one that could bring you your first earnings from YouTube as soon as tomorrow. First, the most popular way to earn money is YouTube Partner Program. This is when YouTube itself pays you for your videos. The thing is, YouTube promotes you as a creator not just because you're talented and they want to promote talented people, but because they make money on this platform. The more people watch and spend time on it, the more ads they can sell and the more expensive they can sell these ads for. So as a creator of quality content, you help YouTube increase the amount of advertising and its value. And under certain conditions, YouTube is willing to share part of this income with you. This is the first way of monetization people hear about. It's great because it can be seen as a passive income, as you simply make videos without doing anything extra or building sales funnels, and at some point YouTube starts paying you for it. It's also great because this method has a cumulative effect. For example, when you have 4 videos on your channel, you earn money from the views of all 4 videos each month. When you have, say, 50 videos on your channel, after the first year, all 50 videos can bring you money each month from YouTube, if people are watching them. So, if your views are good, your income will continue to grow over time. Now, what are the conditions for joining the partner program? The good news is that recently YouTube slightly lowered the threshold so that even new creators can join the partner program more quickly. Now, if your channel has 500 subscribers, 3 videos in the last 90 days and over 3,000 hours of watch time in the past year or 3 million shorts views in the last 90 days, YouTube will accept you into the partner program. If you want a separate video on how to register for the partner program and set up your profile, let me know in the comments and be sure to like this video. I will create a separate tutorial where I'll show you on screen how to set up correctly so you can receive payments on time and legally. But once you've joined the program, you can start earning through channel memberships, super chats and stickers, where your subscribers and viewers can donate money during streams and leave you super thanks. If you reach a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of long video watch time in the past year or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days, then YouTube will start paying you for placing ads in your videos. If you already have an audience on another platform that you can initially bring over to watch your first YouTube videos, reaching the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time can be achieved very quickly. For example, we launched a channel for a blogger from Instagram and the first video got over 20,000 views, the second video more than 300,000 views, and we enabled the partner program in the first week after the channel's launch. This person started earning extra money from YouTube from the first video just by publishing content, which is really nice. So, if you already have a platform with an audience, this is a great strategy to implement as soon as possible. We have helped many creators connect to the partner program, from beginner channels to those of already well-known bloggers. On average, with professional team advice, it's possible to join the partner program up to 10 times faster than going solo. If you want to learn how to reach the required metrics faster and monetize your channel and understand your growth potential on YouTube, you can pause this video right now and schedule a free consultation with our producer. The link is in the description of this video. Go ahead and sign up. We are waiting for you. So, everyone is probably wondering how much YouTube pays creators. The amount you receive from YouTube, which YouTube gets from advertisers, depends on the country where you create content, the language of your content, the niche you are in, since different niches pay differently, and the seasonality. For example, if we take the year 2024, on average, a creator in the United States received between $2 to $3 per 1,000 views from YouTube. Let's do the math. If your channel gets 5,000 views of a long-form content in a month, you'll earn $15 a month. Not much, I agree, which is why this method works better when your views are higher. But here's some good news. In each video, you can insert not just one, but 2, 3, 4, or even 5 ad breaks. And YouTube will pay you extra for each one. So, for instance, if you put 2 ad breaks in your video, you'll earn not $15 but $30 a month. Just be careful not to overdo the number of ad breaks, as it could turn viewers away and reduce retention. You can always check in your Analytics Studio how much YouTube is paying you for 1000 views. And under this video I will leave a link to an article that provides the most up-to-date data for 2024 on how much YouTube pays in different niches, countries, and the key parameters you need to know to understand your income from the YouTube Partner Program. Monetization through the Partner Program for Shorts works differently. The revenue is calculated based on the total income from all shorts posted in your country, and the share each creator receives is determined by the number of views. If you are interested in learning more, I leave the link to the official YouTube article below the video, which explains all the rules for how you will earn income from shorts. The second way to earn money from your YouTube channel with your first videos is through referral programs and affiliate links. What does it mean? Well, in your video you talk about something, whether it's products, techniques, cosmetics, equipment, etc. You provide a link to the product you're talking about, something that's sold on other platforms. Essentially, you create a special link, an affiliate link. And if someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, the service selling that product pays you a percentage of the sale. One of the most popular platforms in the US where many bloggers make money is Amazon. Amazon has a special website, and I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video. You need to register on this site using the same email you use for your Amazon account. Once you connect, enter your payment and tax information, and you'll be able to receive payments for purchases made through your referral links. For example, we have a video on our channel about a $500 creator setup. We gave some great solutions, compared different options, and provided a ready result. If you haven't seen the video yet, be sure to watch it on the channel after this. In that video, we include affiliate links to the products we recommended on Amazon. And Amazon shares part of their profit with us. How much does Amazon pay for this program? Let's break it down. It depends on the niche you are offering products in. Here is a table showing how much Amazon pays for different products categories. So, if you are selling products that cost on average from $100 to $200, you can earn around $5–10 with each sale. If you offer products that cost around $500 to $1,000, you could earn $25–50 for each purchase. In addition to Amazon, other large stores like eBay and AliExpress also offer their own affiliate programs. You can place referral links to products from these platforms under your videos too. There are also special aggregator platforms like Share and Sale or CJ Affiliate that enter into agreements with large brands, and you simply register on these sites, create referral links from various other stores, and receive a commission on sales of products and services through the intermediary. For example, Walmart doesn't have its own affiliate program, but through an aggregator you can still earn a commission on sales made through their store. I left links to the registration pages for eBay, AliExpress programs, and some aggregator websites that are relevant in the US in the description of this video. But to keep it simple, Amazon is the easiest and most common option for users. Start with it to begin earning. Third, and something I really like, is selling ad integrations on YouTube. This method is best for channels that already have a certain amount of views. On average, videos should get at least from 50,000 to 80,000 views, so the content is already popular. At that point, advertisers will start reaching out to you. The important step is to set up a separate email address for your channel, so advertisers and partners can contact you directly. They will start emailing you to offer placement on your channel. What do they usually ask for? They want statistics about your audience, where they're from, their age, gender, and which cities they're watching from. This helps them understand how relevant it is for them to promote their product through your channel. What is the price of ads you can ask for? The good news is that there is no fixed market price for YouTube ad integrations. There is no set cost for ads, like price per 1,000 views or per 1,000 subscribers. You can ask for a price that feels comfortable for you and explain why you believe it's fair. What do advertisers usually base their prices on? They focus on the cost per view. I would suggest you consider charging between 1 to 5 cents per view. For example, a channel that gets an average of 50,000 views per video might charge about 1–2 cents per view. So you could earn from $500 to $1,000 for one ad. If a channel gets an average of 1 million views per video, then for one ad integration in such video, the creator might charge $10,000. Sounds good, yeah? You can offer advertising in several formats. For example, a native integration for 1-2 minutes, where you specifically talk about a product or service and highlight key points for the advertiser. You could create a separate video that aligns with the audience of the product and that would cost more. Or you could arrange a product placement, where you feature the brand's product in your frame and you also earn income from the advertiser for that. And if your channel already has a sufficient number of views and you are not receiving inquiries from advertisers yet, you can certainly reach out to them yourself. Look at the types of products and services that suit your channel's theme and audience and contact the brands you'd like to work with. They all have contact emails and many of them will respond and consider your offer. When we promote channels for our creators, we take on the task of contacting advertisers, selling ads, and we have channels that earn up to $10,000 per month through ad integration. The fourth, and one we frequently use when monetizing our creators' channels right from the start, is selling your services and products through YouTube videos. This method is especially good for businesses and online experts. Whether you offer services, educational products or physical products, this can work for you. You share value in your videos, gain the trust of your audience, and then offer them to take advantage of your products or services. For example, with one of our creators, we launched the sale of his educational course as soon as we started his channel, and within the first 2 months, he earned an additional $30,000 thanks to his YouTube channel. This is tremendous value. Often, the initial stage isn't direct selling, but involves a free intermediate step to introduce the audience to your offerings. For instance, you could provide a free lesson they can watch, or a guide they can download, free consultation. The user leaves a request and their contact on your website and enters your marketing funnel, where they are gradually warmed up to make a purchase. Or, for example, they visit your Instagram profile and submit a request there. Many experts, even experienced Instagram bloggers, often feel stressed to promote their services at first. In these situations on the shoot, our director often helps make the presentation of services more natural and calm, ensuring it feels organic for the expert. First, believe that you have the right to promote your services. At a relevant moment, usually after providing significant value in your video, ideally around the middle, mention your services and how viewers can benefit from them. Second, if you find it difficult to do this naturally, set a goal to include it anyway. Even if it's not perfectly organic, make it brief, just 1 or 2 sentences, but ensure there is a call to action for your services in your video. One more example from my experience. When I launched my first channel, it was a cooking channel with an expert who is great at cooking, at presenting beautifully. The best monetization strategy that worked for this channel was selling products and services. The expert already had a small Instagram blog, but once we started publishing regular content on YouTube, she transitioned from being seen as just a woman sharing travel and cooking stories on Instagram to an expert in recipes and home cooking. We created guides with the best recipes, popular dishes and weekly meal prep ideas. We also launched a short course when she taught how to cook beautifully at home, how to serve and how to plan weekly menus. By the 3rd month, people started purchasing these products, thus monetizing my first YouTube channel. And if you are just starting your YouTube channel, you should try this way. Like with other YouTube monetization methods, a lot depends on how interesting and high quality your content is, how well you understand your audience and what they need. If you want this funnel to work effectively, you must first share valuable content with your audience and show that you truly have the expertise to help solve not only this issue mentioned in your video, but also other related ones that your services address. And if you have questions how exactly you can monetize your YouTube channel right now, you can book a free consultation with our producer and we will answer all your questions in 40 minutes. Just follow the link below this video and take your time. For those who stayed until the end, here's an important tip. Don't rely on just one source of monetization, even if you are confident that one will work. Explore as many monetization options as possible for your channel. Give this video a like if you found it helpful. If you want to succeed on YouTube this year, watch this video for a simple step-by-step plan to get started. Bye!